Hey, good morning everyone. How are you guys doing? Doing well? Okay. Me? I'm fantastic. Well, I want to talk about the writing we had last week. That was fantastic. That was great. Everyone did a very good job. But I do notice some issues there. I found out that not everybody knows how to use our capital letter properly. So today I am going to ask you this question. When do we need to use capital letters? We're going to share some common rules and we're going to have some practice. So I hope at the end of the class you have better ideas when you should use capital letters. So for answering this question, I want you guys to give me some examples. Any ideas? Just look at the sentence. Look at the sentence. Which letter I use a capital letter? W. Very good. W. W is the beginning of the sentence. Start the sentence. We capitalize that letter. That's correct. How about your name? When you write your name, like my name, I will make it very big to show you. This is my first name, and X is the first letter in my first name. I capitalize that one. And my last name, yes, as well. That's my last name, okay? And L is the first letter in my last name, so I capitalize this. There are two rules already. Is that easy? Yeah, let's keep looking. Here are some basic rules. I will just share some of them with you today. When you keep learning, you will find more rules in the future. But for now, let's share some of them here right now. Beginning of the sentence, we just had the example. Now I have another example. Let's read together. Are you going home now? Very good. Now I make my capital letter A red so you guys can see what I want to show you. Emphasis that A is the beginning of the sentence. We capitalize A. Next one. Andrew, could you please read this? My computer doesn't work anymore. In this sentence, M is capitalized because it's the beginning of the sentence. Very good. This rule is easy. People remember it. Let's keep looking. Our example, like my name. Remember? Yeah. So first name and last name, at the very first letter of your first name and last name, you need to capitalize that letter. And also personal titles. What's personal titles? Let's see one example. Then I'll give you more examples. My example here. I talked to professor. Now in school, we have professor. Professor is a title. So we capital this letter P. Yes, Professor Alicia Jones yesterday. So in this one sentence, I showed you three parts we need to capitalize. First name A, last name J, and what is this part? Professor. What is the professor? Very good. It's a personal title. So you may ask me, what are words? What kind of words are like personal titles? Let's take a look. You should be familiar with some of them, do you? Yeah, let's all read. First one, Mr. or sir. When you call a male, yes, like this S needs to capitalize. Mr., Mrs., Miss. Doctor, when you see a doctor in the hospital, yeah, doctor, they always capital the D. And here, president, like our President Biden, if you want to write a letter for him, then you will call him President Biden. So for this case, we need to capital P, President. Is it right here? No. What's wrong? What's wrong? I did capitalize the personal title. You got me. B, capital Biden. Okay? And we have senator, general, they're all personal titles. How about manager? Store manager. Do I need to capitalize that? M? Yes, we do. Very good. Now let's see next one. Days of the week, month of the year, and all holidays. You need to capitalize them. Now let's have a quick short review. Days of the week. Can we start? With Monday? Yes, Monday. Tuesday. Wednesday. Very good. Thursday. Friday. Saturday and Sunday. Very good. When you capitalize those letters, we are going to write like this. Monday, capital letter M. Good. Tuesday, T. Wednesday, W. Thursday, T. Here's a little tip. So when you write Thursday, so we usually will add H. So we know it's Thursday, it's not Tuesday. Okay, what's next? Friday, capital letter F. Saturday, S. Sunday, S. Some people will write Saturday as A. So we know it's Saturday, it's not Sunday. Okay, so month of the year, and we have 12 words for the month of the year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Very good. All of those months, you need to capitalize the first letter. I don't need to write this, do I? You got it? Very good. Okay, holidays. So what kind of holidays do you know in the United States? The big one? Christmas, of course. Yes, we have Christmas. Let's count back. November, we have Thanksgiving. And in July, we have Independence Day. In May, we have Memorial Day. And we have April, we have Easter. Then we have present day, Martin Luther King Day, and we have New Year's Day. All those holidays, you need to capitalize them. Let's see example. Can we read together? Is Monday, Memorial Day. So Monday, as we said, it's day of the week, M, capitalize it. Memorial Day is a holiday. It's a federal holiday here, so I capitalize M and D. Okay. Another example. His favorite month is June. June is a month of the year. We capital the letter J. So these three rules, pretty easy. Now let's do some practice. Before we all do the practice, let's read those sentences together. Number one, Jared, could you please read it? Yes, it's John. It's a person's name. John bought his wife a present in May. Now in my head I'm thinking, what do I spot in here? Second, Nina, could you please read the sentence? She was born March 3rd, 2001. Let's see what word we should capitalize here. Number three, let's do together. Do you know Dr. Lee? Do you know Dr. Lee? Okay, number four, was Mrs. Adams your teacher last year? All right, now you guys are grouped and you guys are grouped. Let's have a little discussion and we will bring you back together and we talk about together, okay? All right, do you have answers? Great. For this time, I want to challenge you guys. You don't just tell me the letter needs to be capitalized, you also tell me why. Can we do it? Super. Now, first sentence. John bought his wife a present in May. Which letter? J? Very good. Why J? Why J? It's a person's name. Very good. And it's also the beginning of the sentence. Two rules here. Very good. Is that is all? You spot May. May is a month. Yes, we need a capital M. Very good. Very good. Second sentence. She was born March 3rd. Ah, you spell S. Very good. It's the beginning of the sentence. We always capitalize that first letter. Was for March. Very good. March is a month. We capitalize this one. Now next. Do you know Dr. Lee? Haha. Yes, beginning of the sentence we capital that. What else? Another D. Why? Why have to capitalize this one? Aha, very good. That's a personal title. You capitalize that D. And Lee, capitalize L. Very good, you guys. You guys are very good at it. Number 4, was Mrs. Adams your teacher last year? Was. Very good. Capital W was Mrs. Do we have a title here? Debbie. M, capitalized. How about next one? Adams. Yes, that is the last name. Capital A. Was Mrs. Adams your teacher last year? How about here? Last year. No? No more. You guys found them all. Very good. Give yourself a pat. Good job. Good job. All right, so those are just 3 rules. Let's take a short break and I will talk about more rules. Okay?